Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Dubai viral Iffa chicken recipe. It's very simple and easy. Chicken marination preparation. Yogurt 3 tablespoons. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cashmere chili 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Oil 2 to 3 teaspoons. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Mix. Chicken leg 5 pieces. Mix very well. Cover and rest for 2 to 3 hours. Egg whites 3, boiled. Garlic cloves 2 pieces. Cream cheese 2 tablespoons. Cream 2 tablespoons. Shredded mozzarella cheese 1/4 cup. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Milk 1/4 cup. Blend well. Done. Perfect. Leave aside. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Butter 2 tablespoons. Fry the chicken 8 to 10 minutes. Flip. Done. Chicken transfer to the baking tray. Cheese mixture on top. Bake preheated oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit 15 minutes. Done. Spread some oil on top. Garnish with coriander leaf and chili flakes. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.